Thanks for tuning in to see what's new with Appian. Appian 25.3 delivers major upgrades for putting AI to work in your business processes. Let's take a look at what's new.
Every major project starts with a challenge like this, a dense requirements document. With Composer, you don't need to manually dissect this document or build whiteboards and spreadsheets. Composer uses AI to transform your spec into a structured visual plan. So instead of a wall of text, you get an organized app plan, allowing your team to get shared alignment on what needs to be built. Composer also identifies key user roles and automatically ties each action back to the relevant persona. Want to customize this plan? It's easy. Edit steps, drag and drop actions, add new ideas, or just ask AI Copilot to help refine the flow. Now that your requirements are captured, Composer builds out a full data model, including tables, fields, and relationships based entirely on what your app needs. And here's the best part. Your data model evolves as your requirements evolve. So let's say we add a new requirement to the plan. When we return to the Data Model tab, notice that Composer proactively checks for potential updates and lets you incorporate changes so that your architecture stays in sync with your vision. Now, let's bring your app to life visually. Composer auto-generates custom screen mockups, landing pages, forms, and record summaries based on your requirements and Appian best practices. Here's the proposed landing page, a great starting point and easy to customize. Business users can tweak layouts directly or use AI Copilot for fast changes, like adjusting this data here. And within a few clicks, you can apply your company's branding, colors, fonts, and other design elements, all tailored to your style guide. Composer is where collaboration happens, real-time feedback, shared understanding, and stakeholder alignment on how the app should look and behave. And when you're ready, click Generate Objects. Composer creates your app's core building blocks, including interfaces, data, and process, so that you can start development with a solid foundation. Composer guides you through what's being created, giving you a clear, editable summary of your app's architecture. And just like that, you've got a working application and a great foundation to build more. And here's the Composer-generated site. It's complete with a data-backed record list, create action, and record summaries, all tied together, and it's ready for you to go through and customize with further development. With Appian Composer, you go from idea to plan to a working app in record time, all without sacrificing quality. Developers can now focus on what matters, tailoring the app to your unique business needs.
Appian AI features are now available for self-managed environments using Appian on Kubernetes. With this release, you can use Appian AI Copilot and AI skills to supercharge efficiency for your processes and people. Review our configuration guidance to learn which services are needed to harness these powerful capabilities in your self-managed Appian environment.
With this release, Appian is committed to scaling the data fabric with your enterprise's growth. We've introduced the ability to dynamically scale queries based on the application usage. This automatic scaling optimizes performance and resource efficiency on your site without administrative intervention, streamlining development and reducing risk for high-volume use cases.